What's up, family? Welcome back to the channel. Here we've got the BMW at Fifi's house. We are currently busy with a few things that we are sorting out, like for example the radiator leak that we have. We'll go a bit more in details in that now, what we're gonna do. But yeah, I just want to give a big thanks to NASCAR. As you know, I buy most of my accessories by them. I'll leave their number down in the description, and then as well TNT's number as well, that's building our roll cage. And as well, they do exhaust and all other kinds of different things as well. Their numbers will also be in the description. But yeah, let's go and have some fun. Let's get the car sorted. Let me update you what we are doing. Let's go and have fun.
I can fly.
So yeah, as you can see, we have already started installing our big radiator. You can see here in the front as well. Yeah, it's a radiator for the S14 3-core aluminium radiator. So we already did bolt the brackets. As you can see, Fifi is just busy bolting that on now, and then as well as here on the front. So yeah, we still have to sort out the water pipes, as we are still busy with that. We need to get that sorted today. And then there's the other bracket. This is the radiator that we used to run. This is the one for the BMW, the original radiator. But yeah, unfortunately it's leaking from the water bottle as well. So we just decided that we are going to rebuild our radiator system so that we are running a proper radiator. So we're going to do that. Then there's a few other things we also want to do. We've got brackets that we have installed, that we made for our big spoiler. As you can see, we've got the brackets at the bottom on already. We just need to clean up the brackets and then paint them a bit better, as unfortunately yeah, it got damaged a bit, but that will sort out as well. So yeah, fit the spoiler. We're gonna check the handbrake maybe today, maybe not, we'll see. And then as well as the hood that doesn't want to close properly due to the brackets for the hooks that clips onto the latches. We're going to remove that as well, and then we're going to put new bonnet clips in so that is sorted. But yeah, for now we're just going to finish up with the radiator first, then we'll move to all of the rest of the things. We just want to get the most important parts finished first. So yeah, let's go and have some fun with doing this first. So yeah, the only thing that's left, as you can see here, we have to cut this pipe so that we can fit our aluminium pipe in there. Then this side should be sorted. We do need one of those pipes with the fittings so that we can fit the water temperature sensor in it, but we're not too bad about that now. So we just have to go and cut that down. And then here we still need to make a plan, as we have a water pipe that's supposed to come in here. So we'll need to see if we can make a plan to get this hooked up as well, and then just sort out the water leaks. So yeah, let's quickly sort out all of this small thingies. Okay, so we are kind of done with the water system. We're just trying to figure out, because there's an extra pipe now that's coming out here that looks like it's going into the block. So we want to see if we can blank that off or not yet. But now we're just busy testing it. Everything looks fine, it seems fine. Even if we come here inside, I mean, you can check the water temp gauge. It is in the middle, so there's no problems there. It's only now here just to figure out what's happening with that pipe. So as soon as we put the cap on the radiator, it's blowing the pressure through that pipe, and we're not 100% sure what that pipe is for, and if we can blank it off. So that's what we're trying to figure out now. We're getting there, slowly, surely but slowly. The pipe work doesn't look bad at all. It looks good. Like I said, this radiator is from S14. As you can see, it's quite a big radiator. We did connect the wires as well. I just want to solder them together. That's why it's looking like this, just testing it. Yeah, still need to make it pretty. We just want to sort out the water first to see what's going for what. So for now we are all done here. We don't have any problems. Everything looks 100% even with the temp, with the pressure, everything is sharp. So we are also done with our mirror covers. Just excuse the tape as we are basically sticking it so it doesn't come loose. And then this side as well, we are busy with our brackets. This is for the spoiler, and then this is for our handbrake bracket. And then now, unfortunately, this side we wanted to put the bonnet clips, but yeah, there was a big tear in the side, so we're just busy fixing that up, and then we're going to close the bonnet and put our clips in it. So yeah, this is how we get so far, slowly but surely. I did buy new terminals here as well, and then I'll probably start with the car soon, with the inside to repaint the roll cage and the inside, and then basically the inside will be done. So now it's only there's few things that we still have to do. Just have to wait for the paint to dry, and then just flip it, make sure it's nicely painted, and then we can put those brackets in. And then yeah, the side looks good. Oh, I still have to fix this wiring as well. It seems like the fan that we used, it's got its own module, it's not working. So we're gonna use our own fan and connect it to a toggle switch, so that we can run the fan as soon as the car is started. We can start running the fan so that it doesn't overheat. I'd rather put it on a switch so I know it's on, and then have to wait for the car to switch it on. And yeah, you never know. I mean, the car's loud, so you can't always hear the fan switching on. So we'll put that on a toggle switch. Right, so we have the spoiler. Yes, you must like it to the camera. Massar. So the spoiler is all hooked up. This looks pretty proper. As you can see, NASCAR's. We got this from NAS, as well as our window covers. Let me just show you. Not window cover, mirror covers. As you can see, I believe it's a M4 style. You can see it properly. So yeah, now this is all done. All done, hooked up. Looks kind of proper. And then that side also we're almost done with. And then as you can see there, let me just go inside. You can see that I'm busy with the handbrake bracket as well. Just need to pick it up, drill the holes through, and then just tighten it, and then we will be done there.
The next day.
So we are back at home now. Unfortunately, well, this is now a day later. But anyway, so we've got most of the things that we've wanted to do, we've got it done. Let me just show you a bit around. I'm actually really quite excited. Let me show you. So we managed to fit the spoiler. As you can see, it looks really prim and proper. And then as well, when we go to the side, we fitted this mirror covers as well. I believe those is the M4 or the M3 style mirror covers. Just excuse the tape, as I've been using this because we glued it together as well, so that it can stick nice and properly. So we just want to make sure that dries properly. And then as well, here in the front, we did put new bonnet clips on, as well as we only had one that worked for the original BMW, but we've removed those ones so we can fit this, and it looks kind of nice. Then when we come here and open up, we are done with our with our big radiator setup. As you can see how nice and decent it looks, even from the front. Well, now it's a bit dark, so you can't really see it. Oh, and we've installed those front, I don't know, stiffener or bumper, whatever you want to call it, installed there as well, just so that it looks a bit better. So now when we close this up, looks a bit more like a car. So yeah, really excited about it. We've also fitted the handbrake. The car's locked now, but if you can see there in the inside, the handbrake is fitted as well. So we will be starting with the inside of the car really soon. We are going to fit our, well, not fit, we're going to start cleaning up the inside so that we can start to paint the roll cage. So we're going to start by sanding down everything first on the inside. That will start with the next video. Start sanding down everything in the inside, as we want to repaint the roll cage as well as the interior as well. And then if we're done with the painting the interior, then we are completely done in the inside. We don't need anything else. Then we'll be start moving to the front, as I have already ordered a new bumper from NAS, the M3 style front bumper for the car. As soon as we have that, then we are basically ready to paint the car on the outside as well. Then there's only small things that we still need to do, like for example new rims, front, back, coilovers, and then maybe an angle kit. And then from there we'll probably move to something else, probably move to the engine, get more power, probably turbo it or something in that line. But yeah, for now we just want to make everything beautiful like we are starting now. And yeah, just super excited and super stoked. So yeah, I'm gonna greet you guys on this video. I'm gonna see you on the next one, where we're gonna start by actually doing labor work physically. But yeah, I'm really excited about this. If you watch a full video, guys, I really do appreciate it. You must have a lovely night further, and God bless. Ciao.